Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I would like to welcome you all in English class. I am your teacher, Pankesh Kumari. Children, now I want all of you to open English Reader chapter 12. Chapter 12. This is chapter 12. And children, chapter 11 we have learned about frogs and Toad's friendship and what Toad liked the most. Okay, we have learned. Do you remember? Okay. Now we will do chapter 12. I'm not going to get up today. I'm not going to get up today. So the topic of the video or the lesson is I am not going to get up today. Okay? So before we start the lesson, I want all of you to pay attention. Okay? I want all of you to listen carefully. Okay? Now you can see on your book this bar. Okay? So words to learn. We will do words to learn first. Repeat after me. Alarm. Alarm. Pillow. Pillow. Breakfast. Breakfast. Town. Town. Sleep. Sleep. Tickle. Tickle. Neighbors. Neighbors. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Pour. Pour. Papers. Papers. Strawberry. Strawberry. Butterscotch. Butterscotch. Print. Print. Shake. So these all words will come in your lesson. Okay, you have to learn to read as well. Okay children, now I want all of you to pay attention. Okay, so this is about one boy who really wants to sleep. He never want to get up from his bed. Okay, he just want to sleep. So we will see what others will make him to get up. Okay, so let's start. Please let me be. Please go away. I am not going to get up today. Please let me be. Please go away. I am not going to get up today. So he was telling, let me sleep, let me be on the bed, or he is telling others to go away. And he is telling he will not get up. Okay. The alarm can ring. Okay. The birds can peep. The alarm also cannot wake him up, even though the birds as well. My bed is warm and my pillow is deep. Today's the day I am going to sleep. So he is telling, even though alarms, birds cannot wake me up. Okay, he like his bed because it's warm. Winters, usually in winters we like our bed, right? Even he is also liking the bed because it's warm, and he likes his pillow as well. It's soft, nice, deep. And he's telling today is that day I am going to sleep. Means today itself I am going to sleep whole day. Nothing can wake me up. I will sleep only and sleep. Okay, now let's move to the next one. I don't care if the kids are getting up all over town. He's telling he really don't care if kids, you can see the kids, they are waking up all over the town. Let the kids get up in Alaska and in China. I am staying down. He's telling let all the other kids get up all over the world or all over the town, but I am staying down. I have never been so sleepy. I can't remember since when. You can take away my breakfast. Give my egg back to the hen. So he is telling, before today I have never been so sleepy. And even I cannot remember since when. he don't know since when he is so sleepy. You can take my breakfast. So if he will not get up, so he will not get his breakfast, but he don't care about breakfast as well, and he is telling, give my egg back to the hen. So maybe his mother, she have prepared for him eggs, but he is telling, you can give them back to the hen, okay? And you can tickle my feet, you can shake my bed, you can pour cold water on my head. In bed I am going to stay. I don't care what the neighbors say, I never like them anyway. So he is telling, you can tickle my feet. So he don't feel ticklish maybe that time because he was in deep sleep, and we can even shake his bed. Whenever others will shake our bed, we will get up, right? But he is telling, you can shake as well, you can shake my bed, but you can pour cold water on my head. See, he is telling, you can pour cold water on his head, but he is still going to stay in his bed only. He don't care what others or neighbors will say about him, but he is telling, I don't like my neighbors anyway. Okay, now turn the page. You won't get me up with a strawberry shake. You won't get me up with a marshmallow cake, nor with a butterscotch or two. My tongue is asleep and my teeth are too. So he is telling here, you cannot wake me up whether you will give me strawberry shake, and even though we will give him marshmallow cake, still you cannot wake me up. And you know what he is telling, my tongue is even sleeping, my tongue is asleep as well, and his teeth too. So he don't care about tasty food, he don't care about any cake, he just want to sleep. Okay children, so and then you can see here, okay, you can print it in the paper. He is telling, you can print in the paper that I am not waking up. Spread the news all over the town, but nothing is going to get me up. Today I am staying down. So he is telling, you can print, even though you can print or you can tell to everyone whatever you do, but I will not wake up because today is my day. So I will stay on the bed, I will sleep. Okay, now here you can put up the whole thing on TV, but I won't get up today. Today is my day for woozy snoozy, he's telling. Okay, so he's telling here, you can put up the whole thing means whether he's sleeping for late, you can put it on the TV, even though you can give news to others, but he will not get up today because today is his day. Today is my day for woozy snoozy. He just want to sleep on his bed. Children, this is the poem we have learned today. Now I want all of you to read that poem, okay? You can practice reading, right? You can read. And children, the topic of the poem is I'm not going to get up today. It talks about one boy, okay? He just want to sleep and sleep. Even he's telling, you can tickle my feet. See, we can tickle. We feel ticklish if someone tickles our feet, but he said, you can tickle, I don't care, even though alarm can ring, the birds can peep, he will not get up. And he's telling, I don't care if the kids are getting up. He don't care about other kids that they're getting up all over the town. He just don't care. And he's telling, you can shake his bed. We can shake his bed and pour cold water. You can see they are pouring cold water on his head, but still he will not wake up. And even though we will not give breakfast for him whatever we do, see, he is tickling. Okay, whatever we do, he is not going to wake up. Okay, even though we will not give him breakfast, or he just don't care about strawberry shake and marshmallow cake, he is telling my tongue even asleep. He don't care about food or taste anymore. Even though we print a news about him that he is sleeping, boy won't get up fast asleep. So he don't care. Whatever we do, he don't care, because it was his day. It was his woozy snoozy day. So children, I want all of you to read the poem. Okay, you can read. And children, some new words we found in this poem. Okay, so this is Alaska. Repeat after me. Alaska. Alaska is a very cold country. What is Alaska? Alaska is a very cold country. Peep. Peep means look secretly. Sometimes we peep through the door. Okay, peep. Look secretly. Butterscotch. Butterscotch is a flavor used in ice cream, toffees, and etc. Okay. So what is butterscotch? Butterscotch is a flavor. Butterscotch is a flavor used in ice cream. Okay, we have butterscotch flavor ice cream, sometimes toffees, and many more candies, right? So this is for today. Now turn your page. In beginning of the poem we have read some words. Okay, so this is alarm. Repeat after me. Alarm. Alarm. Pillow. Pillow. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Neighbors. Neighbors. Butterscotch. Butterscotch. Strawberry. Strawberry. Pour. Pour. Paper. Paper. Okay, so this is the words which are difficult to pronounce, so you should learn these words as well. Okay children, as well as learn new words. This is the new words, so you have to know what is this. Okay children. Okay, I hope you have learned something today. Thank you for listening children.